night we were checked by the Guardia di Financia. Just heard some amazing news. Really worried because I have to go to Barcelona. So yesterday about 12, I think 12:30. At this night we were checked by the Guardia di Financia. It took 45 minutes, but the guys are doing their job, so they should. And now again this morning there was like a boat. The shift started probably, and they were like, "Oh, there's a boat in the bay. There's a boat in the bay. So let's go. Let's check them out." And the other guy said, like, "No, if there's another boat coming, just show the papers." I said, "Okay." I showed the papers, and yeah. But there were... And this was a bigger boat. The boat this, like in last night, was only 3 people could fit there, could fit on boat, and it was like a rip boat. And this was a real, serious boat. With some serious horsepower as well. But yeah, so good morning in Nettuno and Anzio. Anzio is there, and that's Nettuno. So good morning, and today will be our day to going to Ostia, where Ayman is gonna leave for Rome and fly back to the UK.
Yeah, slight correction. I'm not going to leave for Rome.
Oh no, Rome airport. Airport Rome.
Yeah,
airport of Rome.
Rome.
Okay, the airport of Rome. Yeah, okay. Get the anchor up. We're good. And we leave another anchorage to go to Ostia. Oh no! My anchor alarm! Let's put it off. It's the most annoying sound you hear during the night. Really. Just heard some amazing news. We all knew Koen and Gerard and Koen, father and son. They went buddy boating with me to Irikusa last year, to go up to Irikusa all the way, and then they left and got down again to Preveza, and I went with Ayman to Italy. And now, like I think I told before, Ayman is leaving from Rome. So I had to have a new crew member for the boat, and I was checking on Crew Bay, and I was checking on multiple other lines. I threw out some lines like, guys, can you check this, and can you maybe, do you know one, or whatever. Nobody. And Koen said, like, oh man, I was sending a message to him, and he was like, oh man, that would be awesome to do that. But still, yeah, he's working, right? And it's really short notice because it's like, a few days. So, and then he sent me a message like, okay, I'm gonna try to get days off, get some holiday, and then I'm gonna try to help you. And today he messaged me, and it's all done. Perfect. So he's gonna be he's gonna be arriving tomorrow when Ayman is gonna leave. Ayman is gonna leave from Rome or airport at Rome, and probably I'm gonna check which airport it is, because otherwise, if you're gonna be having the same time, like he's arriving and you're gonna go or whatever, or somewhere in between, then I'm gonna go to the airport and pick him up, and yeah. I hope you can see me. Okay. So these things, like Ayman getting hurt, that's like, we always have to be together on a boat. And so now I was really worried because I have to go to Barcelona. And still I needed someone to go with me, because he was going to Rome. He was going to fly out of here, and then I was here by myself. And of course I need to get going, because otherwise it's going to cost me a lot more to stay in the marina again, waiting for someone to come. So luckily, yeah, I threw out some lines, like fishing for people that could come along, but it's in such a short time, like, period. It's like within 1 or 2 days, 3 days, and of course I could have extended it a little bit longer so I could leave later. But it's damn hard to do that, and that's why it's also like, it's not really stressing. Yeah, in a certain way it is, because you need to be, with these crossings, you need to be, like, I want to be with at least 2 persons. I see people do it all the time. Sam Holmes, Voy Sailing, those people are just going by themselves, but I'm not gonna do that. So then the question arises, are you gonna keep doing this in this way? And that's what I really have to think about, because it's really hard. It's really hard. And yeah, sometimes there's things you gotta really think about in life. But this is an amazing life. Let's be sure of that. It's yeah, it's awesome. I'm gonna sit here for a while, watch the view, watch the nice sea state. There's a sailboat coming up, like going to the other side. Yeah. See you guys later. Live long and prosper. Arrived in Ostia, and of course, again, I forgot to. Oh, that was the bow thruster. Didn't need it, but again, I forgot to put the camera on. So yeah, we'll see. I have to go to the office now and make sure we're gonna get everything taken care of. And I'm looking for the Danish boat, but I can't see them yet. Maybe they're not on this dock or on another dock. Oh, I think it... No, that's not them. Let's get to the office. Live long and prosper. We just checked in. Hello! Ayman leaving Spock. Hey, hey, hey! Have a good trip. Live long and prosper. Look who misses me so much.
Live long and prosper.